guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing another wig review, and this time it's going to be from Nadula hair. I just got the package a couple of minutes ago and it was shipped via DHL. Now, I've reviewed Nadula hair in the past. Usually they give you a white box with like purple or blue printing, but I really like this new packaging. I like the black and gold. It's very pretty. Oh, and a disclaimer, I purchase all of my own hair. Nobody sends me anything. I spend my money on my own shit. Okay? Okay, so I shouldn't have opened the box like that. Okay, so this comes with a wig cap that's black. I mean, I don't know who has a black scalp, but whatever. It also comes with a adjustable strap that you can install in your wig, and it comes with a comb that you can install in your wig. So I do appreciate that they're starting to put things in their packaging that helps you customize your wig. Maybe realizing that sometimes the wigs that they send out are not exactly perfect for everyone. This is really gonna bother me. I'm sorry, this video is kind of ratchet. Okay, so I zoomed you in so I can try to get the camera to focus on me. I'm going to be putting, I know I've said this before, but I am going out today to get a piece of fabric so I can hang right here. That way the camera doesn't want to focus on other things in my room. Alright, so those are the only two things you get as far as extra stuff for your wig. The wig comes in a reusable package. You guys know I love me some reusable packaging. This is a body wave wig, and let me bring up the specifications, details, wig details, order details, all that jazz, so I can give you the most accurate review. Okay, so this is a transparent lace 13x6 wig in 18 inches, and the density is 180. So we gonna see. It also says that on the packaging. I should probably show you that. It also says what you ordered on the packaging, clear as day. Love that. Okay, so this is the wig out of the package. All 18 inches body wave, and it is marketed as a transparent lace, and looking at it, it does seem like it's going to work for me. You guys know I'm very light skinned, so it's very important to me that my lace that I purchase is transparent or light enough and thin enough to where when I melt my lace down, I don't have that line of demarcation. I hate that line of demarcation. I think I've talked about that in a video in the past about how transparent lace, for some companies it's very subjective. Transparent to them is light brown because they think they're only marketing to tan to deep skin tones. Obviously I'm not tan to deep, but I like wearing wigs, so get it together here, companies. Market toward everyone. When you say transparent, make sure it's actually transparent. Okay, so this looks like it's going to work for me. Knots are not bleached. It wasn't marketed as that. 13x6 wig. The biggest amount, the 6 inches right here down the center, that's where you get the 6 inches. On the sides, it's a little less. So if you're trying to do an extreme side part, that's not going to work for this wig. So you can kind of go like off to the side, but down the middle is where you're going to get the most parting space, which I'm not too worried about. I don't know if this said it was pre-plucked. Yeah, it says it's pre-plucked. Yeah, it looks kind of pre-plucked, I guess. I'm probably going to go in and do some more customization, but I guess if you try to put it on straight out of the box, it might work for you. Of course, you're going to have to hide your knots with some makeup. Here in the back, you get a little bit of lace so you can put your hair up in a low pony. So because this is only a lace front wig, you have the lace right here, and then you have the tracks in the back. And the reason I like lace front wigs is because you can always add to the density if you have leftover track hair. Say you get a wig and maybe you don't want to invest in a high density wig. You could buy a lower density wig and then just add to the tracks. The only thing you have to worry about with that is maybe the front part of the wig is thin too. But I tend to go for 150, 180, and then if I want to add more hair, I can always add track hair. But I haven't been burned yet when I order that. And then you get 4 combs. You get 4 combs. So one in the back, one up here in the front, right here, and then 2 on the side. That's pretty standard for all of the pre-made wigs. Now you might be asking, why are you starting to purchase pre-made wigs? Well, let me be honest with you. I am going through changes in my life and I don't have time to sit down for hours and make a wig. Now granted, I could probably sew a wig in 2 hours, but I like taking my time. It's my relaxation, but sometimes I don't have time to relax in that way. So I've been purchasing these pre-made wigs to see, you know, what's out there, because the hair industry has changed. I remember when I first started wearing wigs, they didn't have any kind of lace for people with my skin complexion, and sometimes the wigs that you bought were just thin as hell, where you could see the tracks in the back. It looks like these companies have upgraded their wig game, and I can appreciate that. And this is the hairnet that it came with. Alright, so I'm just going to plop this on real quick. Obviously, if I was really putting this on, I would be doing the bald cap method, but I'm just going to push my wig cap back a little bit so we can see how this looks. If you want to see how I lay a lace front wig, I'll leave the link up here in the eye, whichever side it's on, and down below in the description box. This does come with adjustable straps. I forgot to tell you that. They're right there in the back. Alright, so I'm going to plop this on. We're going to see if this is big head friendly, because I have a really large dome. Alright. Big head friendly. Lots of baby hair. Yeah, so when I have it on, you can kind of see where it's pre-plucked, but like I said, I'm going to have to do some more customization on this. The hair feels really good. It doesn't have a smell, so that's good. This is what the lace looks like, and it's very transparent on my skin tone, so that's good. Ear to ear, and then of course the parting space right back there. So far this looks good. The hair feels very nice. This is Brazilian body wave. I'm not getting any tangles. I'm not getting any shedding, I don't think. Yeah, I'm not getting any shedding. But overall, I can't really say anything negative about this hair. It feels really good, minus the ends. But like I said, once I co-wash it, they'll probably go away. It's big head friendly. The lace is actually transparent. And I love the parting space. Love it. So I'll definitely be giving you an update on this wig in the future. And you guys know the 11/11 sale is coming up. I said I was going to make a video, but now I'm not quite so sure, because last year when I made a video, I got a lot of negative comments. So, I mean, let me know if you guys want to see that. I do purchase a lot of hair. I've been purchasing hair from AliExpress for years. I have, like, all of the hair pretty much that I purchase is from AliExpress. So you guys let me know if you want my opinion on some of these hair companies. Now, of course, because I do dibble and dabble, I tend to find hair companies that work for me personally, but just because they work for me doesn't mean they're going to work for you. But just let me know down in the comment section if you want me to waste my time doing it. Like, because if you guys don't want to see it, if you guys don't care, then I ain't going to film it. I'm just going to continue doing my little individual wig reviews. Alright, and then at the time of purchase, I paid $125.90 for this wig. Original price was $137.90, but because I'm a frequent consumer of the Nadula hair company, they gave me a $12 discount. So $125.90 was what I paid for this wig. Now, because they give you the adjustable strap, I'm trying to figure out if they have little places where you can put it. I'm thinking when you sew your adjustable strap in, you're supposed to do it on this lining right here. So I think you would have to either do it over the clip, or over the comb, or you would remove this comb. So I think that's where the adjustable strap is supposed to go, because there's not enough lace right here to put it here without being seen. So I'm pretty sure it goes along this line right here, which I like, because when you put adjustable straps on lace, it can tend to rip your lace after a while, you know, wear and tear. So I do appreciate that they have this thick lining right here so you can add your adjustable strap. Anyway, if you guys like this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And I'm sorry if it was all over the place. It was kind of impromptu. I was getting ready to go, and then the carrier came, so I was just like, might as well. Anyway, guys, let me know what you want me to film next. If you want me to do that 11/11 sale recommendations video, just let me know. And I will see you in the next one.